Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find a home screen, lock screen and style. So right here we've got the Flux themes. So we've got different wallpapers from which we can choose, but they are associated with themes. I'll come back to them later on because I also want to show you another option to change only the wallpaper without the themes. We have to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here we've got the wallpapers section, so let's tap. So right here we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. At the top we can choose this option to set our own photo as a wallpaper. We've got carousel wallpapers and some pre-installed options from which we can choose. So as you can see we've got some kind of landscapes or mountains and some abstract options which we can apply. If you wish to set that kind of static pre-installed wallpaper, you have to simply tap on it. So I'll pick for example this one. Okay, we have to wait until it will be downloaded, so just tap on it and then tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. So just choose the option which you like the most, so probably the home screen. However, I wish to choose something from the Flux themes, so let me go back, let's scroll up and let me tap on all Flux themes. And as you can see here we've got more options from which we can choose, sorry. So let me quickly choose the option and then I'll come back, so I will not waste your time. Alright, so I found it. All we have to do is to tap on it in order to check the full screen. So as you can see it will be applied to the lock screen and the home screen. You can add specific style effects right here, for example. So you can add this, I don't know, it is a glass effect or something like that. Here you can also change the blur effect. So this is how it works. I think I'll stick to the original one. Moreover, here we've got this depth option, and you can check it on this cut. Right now this option is turned off, so the cut is kind of hidden behind the this gradient color, but after tapping on depth our device will simply move the cut forward, so we've got I would say layers. So this is how to customize the lock screen. And finally here we've got our home page. So here we can of course enter the wallpaper again to choose something from different options. Here we can choose the style again, and the same situation here we can apply it and the blur effect, but again I will stick to the original one. Moreover, here we've got the system colors, so you can change the colors which are associated with buttons, so it's up to you. And basically this is the whole customization. So if you wish to apply it, if you wish to confirm everything, simply tap on apply in the right upper corner. I don't want to do that. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.